There was a time when I'd close my laptop and 10 minutes later, I'd already have my phone in my hand again, scrolling through metrics, reading comments, or thinking about what to post tomorrow. And it wasn't because I wanted to. It was almost like a reflex. And the weird part is that I didn't feel like I was working crazy hours. It was more that every task that I did created 3 new ones. But it wasn't just me. We actually ran a study at Metrical with over 1,000 people working in social media, and 73% said they had lost motivation or creativity because of their job. And 62% said that they struggled to disconnect outside of working hours. And when I read that, I thought, yep, that checks out, because that's exactly what I had been experiencing. And I knew that if I kept going like that, I was going to burn out. So I did something about it. For example, Mondays used to be the worst. I'd start the week without a clear idea of what content was going out, what was ready, what was still in draft, or what was waiting for approval. Everything was scattered, and pulling it all together was the first thing I had to do every Monday before I could even start working. What changed everything was actually having all of that in a calendar that showed everything at a glance. And not just what's published, but what's in draft, what's waiting for approval, and what doesn't even exist yet. Plus, the best times are built in, so I don't have to look for them somewhere else. Now, I start my Monday and I know exactly what my week looks like. And I know it might sound small, but it actually gives you a level of calm you didn't know existed until you have it. Another thing that used to drain me was approvals. And the study actually backs this up. 53% of professionals who work overtime do it because of last minute changes. And honestly, I get it. My changes used to come through WhatsApp or email, or from someone commenting on a document no one was even checking anymore. But now everything happens inside of Metrical. The client reviews there, comments there, and approves there. So when something reaches my calendar, it's actually super duper validated. No lost versions and no more APN messages asking if I view the last minute change, which I'm happy about. And yes, last minute changes still happen, but the chaos around them are way more under control for some reason. And if there's one task that used to take everything out of me, was coming up with ideas all the freaking time. And it's not that you run out of ideas. It's that some days you've had 3 meetings and 2 urgent tasks. And when you finally sit down to write, your brain just doesn't start right up. So when I need a push, I use the AI assistant. I give it context and the tone I'm going for. This gives me a great starting point. And I never publish it as is. I always tweak it a little bit, but it gets me past a blank page. And sometimes that's all you need to get going. Then there are reports. Exporting data from each platform, formatting it, and turning it into something that actually made sense for the client. For me, that used to be an entire afternoon. Now, I literally just set it up once and it generates automatically. So yes, removing these types of friction from my workflow made a big difference to my day-to-day.
And yeah, I mean, I still grab my phone after hours, but at least now it's not to keep working, but just to enjoy myself. If you want to try Metrical, you can just go to the link in our description and give it a look. And if you work in social media and any of these sounds familiar, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to chat with you. Bye, Metricaler.